Hey everybody! So welcome back to another development journal for my Elementals trading card game. As you can see right now, I'm on the camera because I was doing some stuff. I turned off the scan lines because they're annoying me. I added some bloom. You know, that's all going to be in a menu somewhere that you can turn all the effects on and off and stuff. Anyway, that's not what's important, because I did some major work on the elemental cards themselves, as well as some more basic mechanics that I needed to add to flesh out the game. So right now, I've changed all these. So last video, they had this script for card movement, and now they have that one as well as this one, which is just kind of a general script. It contains all the information about the card, and then this one, which allows the card to attack. So here we have what player it is. So like if I change this, then it'll change who owns the card, player 1 or player 2. Here we have all the types. I can pick one of these. Right now this is set to darkness. Image, what image is the card using? So like these have the like cave monster or whatever. Cave dweller is what I called it. And then you have HP, attack, and defense. The card name, special move name, and special move description. So this is kind of a test card right now. I was just doing this to see some various mechanics in action, make sure everything was working, and then the rest of these are just default ones that I was using before. So let me show you how it works. Now, one thing I haven't programmed yet is cards dying, so you'll notice that they can have negative health, and it doesn't really care. So here's the game board right now. This is just kind of a test scenario. Player 2 only has 1 card on the board. Player 1 has 4. So this is the test card I was just showing you, and as you can see, it has like the best graphics on it. That is some beautiful gloves. I really know how to draw. So I just made this it's like an overpowered card that is gloves for some reason. But as you can tell, it's got different images. It looks a little different than these, and it has different values. And then these are all the same. So I added some new actions that I had planned for this. For instance, so we still have the movement system from last time. That just works the same. But also, so that does not use action points. I did add this. It works now. So if I select this one though, and I right click on one of my other cards, let's say this one, then I can switch the two. So now they've switched positions, and I can like move this one back over here. And as you can see, actions left is 2. I can switch these. I can switch these, and now I have 0 actions left. So if I try and do it again, it does not work. And also, if I try and attack, it does not work. It doesn't do anything. But yes, I did add attacking. That is the thing. So if I hit end turn here, now it's player 2's turn. I can select player 2's card, and I can attack one of these guys. And down here it says case 1, nothing. That's just a little debug.log thing, which just shows up. It's in the code just to tell me that nothing happened, which I already knew. As you can tell, the HP is still at 50, and the reason is because this guy's defense is 20, and this guy's attack is only 12. But there is a mechanic where 50% of the time it'll do 1 damage anyway, like that time, and it says case 2 damage. Let's see if I can do it again. Yeah, alright. But now I can't attack anymore. Nothing happens. So I'll hit end turn, and now I can gang up on this guy, and it's not really doing anything with these guys. But because this dude has 100 attack, I can just say, alright, use him, boosh, negative 30 HP, and then negative 110. and then turn. Now, you know, as I said, I didn't put death in it yet, so the cards can't get destroyed. But they should be able to, and that's what I'll probably do next. I'll definitely have that to show in the next video. But that's the main things I wanted to show off. I also want to mention this, the user interface, this GUI over here. It's not the best, probably not final. Same with this background, this purple and the white. The idea for this is the purple shows up on the sides if you have a different aspect ratio than whatever this is. I think it's 4:3. But the white is going to be something in the future. Like, I'm going to have a background there that is actually showing, like a table or something. I don't know. The point is, this GUI does not look very good. And the other point is my hand button, it doesn't really do much. It makes this thing show up, and that's pretty much it. The draw card button doesn't do anything yet. And also, as you can see, this thing is really tiny. And if I zoom in, it's not. It stays the same size no matter what. Is what I'm saying. Or rather, it doesn't stay the same size. It does not grow and shrink with the camera's view. If I hit X, it'll just close it. But something I need to do is I need to make it stay the same size all the time, so it stays up here. It's kind of fun to just mess around with the cards now that I have this. So if I go over here and I can I can change the element type to whatever I want. I'll just leave it as Earth because that's what this guy's supposed to be. I'll make the HP like 10,000 and or just 1,000, and I'll give him a base attack of like 22 and a defense of 2. So this guy is super beefy, but he does not have a lot of defense. So now I can, this is player 2's guy, so if I attack with this guy, it does like 10 damage. And if I attack with this guy, it does a lot more, obviously. Now if I attack with this guy, it does 2 damage. Oh, I didn't have him selected. 2. And if I attack this guy, it does all 22. I can take him down, and then we'll just pretend he's dead. And then these guys are like, oh no, we gotta beat him, but he's so strong. So, yeah. That is probably not how an actual card game would play out, considering that that card is way too overpowered to ever exist. But anyway, yeah, that's about all the things that I wanted to show off. I didn't really do that much else, just added some stuff in the code, like this stuff, list of all the types, and some various things to make it easier. So yeah. Again, if you've stuck around this long, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like, and if you've got any feedback, stick it in the comments. And I'll see you all next time, once I have made cards not immortal.